How to install drivers on Windows 11. So there is two method to install drivers on your Windows 11. So first, click on the search icon, search for device manager, open it and find your device. Select your desired device, right click on it, then click on update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers, then click on next, and the best driver for your device has installed. So in this way you can download. The next method is go to the start menu, open up settings, go to Windows Update, scroll down and go to advanced options, scroll down and go to optional updates, click on this driver updates, check this button if there is any update, then click on download and install. So in this way you can download drivers on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.